Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. There are a ton of link building strategies that mention various kinds of links, but how can you gauge a link's usefulness or how much traffic it generates? There are connections that serve these goals. How do I utilize this and what is it? A referral link, what's that? A referral link, sometimes referred to as an affiliate link, is a URL that enables a business to advertise its goods' online content. It includes the affiliate ID used to trace users' paths to a website. It's produced whenever a visitor turns into a customer by completing a form or making a purchase. Following that, the affiliate site receives a commission. Let's now talk about referral traffic. The total amount of clicks to a specific website that originate from referral links is known as referring traffic. In other words, it's the quantity of visitors who arrive at a website via outside links. Visitors frequently begin by viewing the data. They then begin to receive marketing messages and they can become intrigued by the promoted goods or services. They may eventually make purchases or engage in services. Generally speaking, greater traffic means more views, which increases the likelihood of producing leads. Although visitor volume is significant, visitor quality is more crucial. Instead of just being spectators, any firm requires potential customers. Customers typically subscribe before making a purchase. However, the most important component of an internet marketing is quality. How to create a link for referral? There are three main approaches to produce referring links for a marketing effort. Number one, you can give it to your affiliates directly and attach the affiliate ID or URL for reference. Number two, your affiliate may manually add the affiliate link at the end of any URL for a product on your website. Number three, a unique section of your website designed for this use will allow your affiliate link to generate their link for reference there. The page address only has to be pasted into the page URL field. The information pertaining to your referral links can be tracked. Then, keep in mind that your affiliates can distribute the URLs in emails and social media for reference. They are made up of two parts, a vanity URL derived first part and a particular tracking code for references and shares in the second part. The advocate's name or email address typically makes up this second component. When someone clicks on them, a landing page with a coupon code that potential customers can utilize at their nearby stores is brought up. Different referral traffic types and their benefits. Paid and organic referral traffic are the two main sources. In general, forums, social media pages, and email lists have natural backlinks. Blog posts, articles, and other advertisements that potentially result in conversions and sales are the sources of paid traffic. How do you make a good URL? The quality ones share a few characteristics, including creativity in design, an engaging topic, the novelty of the material, and an understandable presentation. Their effects don't always manifest right away. After customers publish their reviews and testimonials, it can take them a few months. Traffic increases naturally as a result of comments, criticisms, invitations, and the online community as a whole. To make the approach both natural and qualitative, it is crucial to refresh the content on a regular basis. Illustrations of referral links. Number one, reviews and blogs. Links of this nature serve as recommendations. The key is to strategically position a link within the text of the article to benefit the reader. Number two, social media sites. Since social bloggers have a significant influence on societal perception, it's not surprising that businesses might benefit greatly from including links in their accounts. Email marketing, third. When two businesses with similar niches work together to increase their customer base, it's a form of barter. Additionally, many different businesses offer recommendation systems to their clients. Increased consumer traffic aids in increasing sales and other benefits for the company's patrons. Additionally, there are numerous specialized businesses and referral tracking tools that make it easier to set up and manage referral programs for your company. With the aid of specialist tools like OmniStart, Hell Referral Software, or Google Analytics, you may monitor the revenue generated by your referral program. Top referral programs for profit. Number one, Share a Sale, $150 for each affiliate recruited. Number two, Payoneer, $25 per suggested user. Number three, Swagbucks, 10% of the earnings from referrals. Number four, Coinbase, 10% per recommended user. Number five, SoFi, $50 or more per referral. Number six, Rakuten, $20 per referred customer. Number seven, Acorns, $5 per referred customer. Number 8, Dosh, $10 per recommendation. Number 9, Sam's Club, gift card for $10. Number 10, T-Mobile, $50 for each referral. Number 11, Direct Energy, $50 for each recommendation. And 12, Xfinity, $175 maximum per referral. Guidelines for promoting referral programs. You're all enthusiastic to participate in referral programs and make money. Awesome. You must now consider how you will draw attention to your referral link. You won't be able to make money online or offline for that matter if this is the case. So let's examine 2 approaches to doing that. Social media use. Most likely you already have a profile on one or more of the numerous social media sites. So take advantage of it by finding a polite way to mention the referral program you enjoy in your posts, tweets or other communications. But refrain from sending piles of requests to join up, as this is just as terrible as attempting to recruit them into your MLM downline. If you're feeling very bold, you might use a website like TikTok. Simply make a brief film discussing an issue that many people are now facing, such as pricey cable service. Then make another video expressing your delight at discovering a fantastic new internet streaming service that genuinely saves you money each month. Your referral link would then be shared with them in your finished video. The same thing might be accomplished with a series of Facebook or Twitter updates. Be traditional. As long as it's legal, the majority of the referral programs on the list above don't really care how you promote them. Some of them even make reference to printing out your referral code and sharing it with loved ones. Why not do that then? Print some as inexpensive business cards as you can find with your referral code on them, then distribute them to friends, or leave them at your preferred restaurant or coffee shop along with your tip. Lateral thinking. Put a strong message such as "sick of paying through the nose for your cable service" on the front. On the back, you list either of these options. Number 1, your referral link. Number 2, a hyperlink to your unpaid blog, such as Blogger, where you can display your referral link. Why don't we advise you to develop a blog instead of pursuing the printed card idea, since it may take months for a fresh blog to start getting popular with search engines? A straightforward, witty business card might attract instant attention. Even if nothing else, it might be a fun hack to try with. Can you therefore earn money through referral sites? Yes. When you actually start investigating, there are a ton of high-paying referral programs available. You're not required to use the traditional cashback websites or applications only. However, I wouldn't rely on it as your main source of income. This is because extremely good programs have a cap on the number of referrals that you can make. However, SoFi does have a referral cap of $10,000 a year, which is incredible when you consider it. However, you rarely have to deal with limits while promoting affiliate programs. Usually the sky is the limit. However, there is no reason why you can't offer referral and affiliate programs on your website as a means of earning money online. You're not online, are you? No issue. Please join us for free training. You'll discover what it takes to launch your own affiliate website, as well as how to conduct niche research and employ affiliate links. It's a completely moral and a legal home business model that you can operate from any location. Interested? Cool. Let me know which email address you should use to send your invitation. We handle the rest. Well guys, that's all we have for you for today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked the video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you get notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys, we hope you have a great day today and we'll see you in the next video.